It's my birthday. I sent out 2 invitations to all my friends. I know they'll get stolen. 2 invites look similar, even have the same MD5 hash, but they're slightly different. I don't believe how long it took me to find a collision. See if you're invited by submitting 2 PDFs to my website. Okay, so we need to like give it a couple files. Okay, so it turns out that MD5 is an older hash and there are known collisions. So here are 2 different programs for Windows that have the same MD5 hash but are different files. So let's just try to submit those. Because it's not a PDF. Well, let's see how much it really cares. So we'll just rename these. And 1, 2, and here is my flag. Congrats, I'm invited to the party.